Hi, I'm Matt, and I got a problem. No, I don't mean this. I mean this. It's a crack in my sidewalk. I'm here to show that a white-collar guy can do this kind of job. But, first, better change clothes or I'll get in big trouble. No peeking. Here I am, everyday guy. Let's get busy! My problem is that I have to take this section of sidewalk. Weighs probably 500, 2,000 pounds. I've got to cut it out on both sides, pick it up, stuff sand underneath it till it's level. Now this is my weapon of choice. Yeah, it's a concrete saw. You bet. More power. Here I am in my pristine workshop. Of course, protective gear is a big deal to me. A little bit of spacesuit. Good for everybody. One of the most important jobs of the moon suit is to keep concrete dust out of my hair gel.
I think we're ready. Crunch time!
Concrete is sawed. Holes have been dug along the edge. 4x4s stuck in the hull. Me and my lovely assistant are about to show you how to move the moon. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. It's up, it's up, it's up.
There, really? Go.
Well, that one's not exactly.
Keep going. Record.
Yeah.
Here we go. We're jacking with a 3-ton jack. Yeah, buddy. Jacking. More jacking. Almost done now. Put on the moon suit. Stick a little sand underneath the slab. Level it up. Job done. Ladies, look at your man. Now look down at my sidewalk. Look back at your man. Now look down at my sidewalk. You could have a sidewalk like this too if your old man used Old Spice body wash. Don't always drink beer, but when I do, I prefer Dos Equis. This is Matt, the white-collar guy, saying, stay thirsty, my friends.